Here we have Mason Crawford fighting out of submission. The gym's basically an MMA gym, but today they're fighting boxing.
Yeah.
A very good gym though, very good gym.
Yeah, it comes from an MMA background, so it's going to be great to see how we adjust today.
Looking very confident entering the ring.
Definitely. This isn't his first time fighting in front of a crowd. Now making his way down into the red corner, fighting out at Undisputed Fight Academy, Toby Pountney.
Record stands at 8-2. Let's see if he can get it up to 9-2 tonight.
Really promising young fighter. Never a boring fight. Again on paper, a really good match fight. Two good clean fighters. Those fighters look like they mean business. Not many nerves on show from either.
Ladies and gentlemen, this is a boxing contest consisting of 3.5 rounds. So let's go on to one in the blue corner, boxing out of submission, Mason Crawford.
1.5 minute rounds of boxing on JackHammer UK. Brought to you by Leapfrog Fight TV.
And we are off. Both fighters ready to go. Nice.
Lovely backhand from Mason.
Both fighters letting go.
Great jabs from Mason there. Nice hook from Toby.
Mason keeping a comfortable space.
Toby's got him on the back foot right now though.
Nice shots from Toby. And again, and again. Got Mason backed into that corner here.
Lovely jab from Mason.
Avoiding those shots.
Lovely body shot from Toby.
Toby really controlling the pace. Crawford backed into the corner.
Chris Bladen annoyed because Toby's not using the body shots.
Nice shot from Mason to finish the round.
Good round to the my bad.
Both fighters looking good. I think it's all up in the air. Positives for both fighters to take from this one. I think we should start to see this one open up more as the rounds go on.
Both fighters taking advice in the corners.
Interesting to see how they implement it into the rounds moving forward.
Both very strong gyms fighting out of.
Definitely both fighters on the feet ready.
And Murati again.
And we are underway round number 2. Toby coming in, aggression.
Nice 1-2 from Toby there.
And again, getting out of the way and getting back in. Nice shot from Mason.
Lovely body shot from Toby. Toby on the back foot though.
Nope.
Let's see if
Toby
he can...
finding a home there for that cross.
Nice 1-2 from Mason.
Nice power in that cross from Toby.
See a little bit of blood coming from Toby's nose there.
Blood, sweat and tears.
Nice uppercut from Mason. A lovely uppercut from Mason.
Another good shot from Toby, and again.
Mason controlling the centre of the ring again. Oh, it changes again.
Felt like it does that. Every time we say it, they swap around. Really blooded nose on Toby.
These two are slugging it out, to be fair.
Nothing new to him though.
Mason landing the cleaner shot. 10 seconds to go.
Nice shot from
Mason
Toby.
using that uppercut to his advantage.
And again.
Brilliant round from Mason, I'd say.
Definitely. Really started to open up Toby with those shots. Toby also landing a few good ones of his own though. Another well-matched fight. Just making a few adjustments to the blood coming in the nose of Toby. Nothing that can faze him. Mason taking in some instructions from his coach.
Chris Bladen telling Toby to use the body shots to the advantage. Mason using the uppercut to his advantage.
Yeah, I can see that being that message pushed in the submission corner. I wonder how we're going to see that used in the next round. The referee calls them both in. Time to put this one to bed. Who's going to take this victory? Touch the gloves and we are off.
Both slugging it out.
Both of them coming in with punches.
Oh, nice uppercut from Mason.
And another uppercut. Really taking his coach's advice here. Toby
Lovely
there,
backhand from Toby.
Some nice sting
Nice
in
jab
those
from Toby.
crosses from Toby. Match the head guard. Nice.
I want to see Toby throw some body shots to him though.
Definitely.
He seems to be headhunting.
Definitely. I think with it being the third
Chris
round,
Bladen telling Toby to use the body shots because he don't like it.
I think it's the finish he's here looking for. Nice,
Oh,
nice
lovely
shot.
uppercut from Toby and then a backhand. Brilliant.
Much better from Toby this round.
Absolute slugfest.
Mason going for that uppercut
Mason
again.
comes with the uppercut and misses.
Oh, nice shot. And another.
Lovely jab.
Another swing and a miss from Mason.
Nice body shot from Mason.
Nice.
Oh, Toby slugging
really
it
got
out.
hand here. Got a
Lovely
strong
backhand
here.
from Toby.
Mason up against the ropes.
What a
Good
fight.
Good
What a
fight.
fight.
Two good fighters there.
What a fight.
It's a good job I'm not a judge. I don't know how to call this one either.
What a scrap.
Definitely both showed a lot of heart, a lot of character. Both did a lot of different things well.
I think Mason's nicked that one, mate. I'm not going to lie.
I'm not sure, me. I don't really know. I don't want to say.
It was a scrap though, that was. It was a really good scrap.
No, definitely.
Both landing clean shots. Mason using the uppercut to his advantage. Toby with a 1-2.
Really softened
Brilliant.
up Toby's nose with that one. Both a lot to be proud of from both fighters. Another entertaining, well-matched bout here from JackHammer UK.
Split decision.
Well-deserved
Good
victory
win
for Crawford.
for Crawford there.
Not to take anything away from Toby, I believe.
Toby was
too.
still brilliant in that fight.
Should be proud of himself. And he'll come back stronger.
He always does, mate. He always does.
First rodeo. But well done to Mason Crawford. And submission.